Good morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It is breakfast time. Got my coffee. Today I'm going to be sharing with you our spinach and egg breakfast. Super simple. We have this a couple times a week during the summer. So first we need to head out to the garden to see Matt and get some spinach. Come on. All right, Papa, I need some spinach.
All right.
For breakfast.
Oh, I'm just getting a couple of these weeds real fast. As you can see, spinach just grows so quickly. And we're nearing the end. It's starting to get hot. So we're nearing the end for harvest of the spinach. I have 3 different types of spinach here. We're only going to be harvesting from 2. The other has gone to seed. We're going to let it go to seed. And we may save it, we may not, but it'll draw in pollinators for the rest of the garden, so we're fine with that. I have got a red Malabar spinach over here. As you can see, it's a vining spinach, which my wife has crushed. As you can see here, it just grows long. And so we're going to harvest a lot of this. And then this spinach that you're looking at right there, that is a New Zealand spinach, and it's what I would describe, and what most describe, as kind of like a summer spinach. It'll grow all summer long, so we're not going to be getting rid of that. We'll keep that for as long as we can, because that will not start to really bolt or get too crazy bitter or anything. But let's go ahead. We'll harvest some of this spinach, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it right here at the base of the leaves. We're pretty lucky. We didn't have a lot of damage with insects with our spinach. There was a few problems early on. We got it kind of taken care of, and now as you can see, the spinach really looks pretty good. Here you guys, so I went through and I harvested a lot of the red Malabar spinach, and now I didn't harvest it all, so we'll say we might be able to get one more out of it, but now I'm going to harvest this New Zealand. I do it a little bit differently because it grows so fast. So I actually cut the stalks or the stems of them, and then we pick the leaves off inside when we're washing them and preparing them. So I will just run through, and as you can see here, I'll just cut, boom, and that's what goes in. All right, here is our spinach harvest. It's quite a little bit, and there you go, Mama.
All right.
Make us some breakfast.
Let's go take this inside, everybody.
Yeah, I think that one's super clean. That's probably the cleanest leaf in there.
Shake.
To shake it. All right, get another one.
New one.
All right, so we have our spinach mixture here, our red Malabar and our New Zealand spinach, clean and dried and ready to go. We also have about a cup of diced onion, as well as 1 clove of garlic minced. You're also going to need some salt and pepper for seasoning, some olive oil, sesame oil, and soy sauce. So let's get to cooking. So to our pan here, I had about a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of sesame oil. I let that get real hot, and I started sauteing our onion until it's nice and translucent here. So that's done. We're going to go ahead and add our garlic, and you're really just going to let this go for about 30 seconds to a minute. Not much, because we do not want to burn it. So we're going to let that go. I might turn my heat down just a hair. All right, let's go ahead and toss in that spinach. All right. Now it looks like a lot, but this is going to cook down to pretty much nothing. So, toss that in a little bit. Now go ahead and take your lid, and we're going to cover it. We will check back on this in just a second. All right, so let's go ahead and take a peek at our spinach here. Yes, we're wilting nicely. Look at that beautiful dark green color. It becomes so vibrant. So pretty. All right, so that's starting to wilt. Now we can go ahead and sprinkle with some salt and pepper here. Just a little bit more of the salt. We are adding soy sauce, so you don't want to over salt it. And some pepper. All right, and as it is just about completely wilted, now we're just going to add a splash of soy sauce. 2 or 3 times around the pan. Is that a technical unit of measurement? So here's our spinach. You can see that nice bright green color, how it's all wilted. So this is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fry up a few eggs, and then it is breakfast time. And there you have it. Spinach and eggs for breakfast. It smells so good in here, like I can't even tell you right now. So I'm gonna go grab Papa, let him know that it is time for breakfast. And while I do that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new video. And I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.